Forget everything you think you know about Japan, because Okinawa isn't Tokyo and it definitely isn't Kyoto. This island has its own heartbeat. In this video, we are exploring vibrant city streets, peaceful Chinese gardens, and the kind of restaurants you'd fly halfway across the world for. Stick around, by the end, you might be planning your own trip here. It's raining outside, and thunder, I don't know if you can hear it. So we decided to save ourselves into this market. Actually, we're looking for something to eat. Yes, 70% of my life is about food, but it's important and nice. So yeah, but it looks really nice here. Okay, I really thought in the middle of July it would be dry season and it wouldn't rain, or at least not that heavy. But it should rain every day while we're here, so let's see what we can do. Because I want to go to the beach, but we will see if that is about to happen or not. My first time in Japan, I'm so excited. In euros, nice. Western Japan da. Okay, now. Look how cute this is with the smiley, with the fries here. Aww. Really cute. Oh, look at those cuties. They're so pretty. Okay, well, they don't give a shit. Okay. Oh my gosh, you can buy Pokemon cards. How cool! That's so crazy. I don't even know the last time I saw Pokemon cards. Like when I was a child. That's so cool. Okay, this is like an antique store, so I don't know how good it is that the stuff from my childhood is here. You know, also this telephone. Am I getting old? Here is really nice and especially good for rainy days. And here a lot of restaurants, shops. So you get everything here basically. That looks so nice with the palm trees. And so many bars. And restaurant and cafes. That's a really nice street. I guess it's like Main Street in Naha. Everywhere are those Orion t-shirts and shoes. I mean, I tried the beer, it's good, but it's crazy. There's so many t-shirt shops with that. So maybe I have to buy one. The longer you look at it, the more you see. Look at this crossing. You can go everywhere. That's so cool. Why isn't that everywhere like this? It's so much easier to cross a road when you can go straight, or you know what I mean? Like it's so much better. Honestly, that's so cool. And you even have a baby chair. That's so smart. It's so smart. Everything is so smart. It's just I have to figure out where to flush. Well, that's difficult. Where do you... Oh, I'm spelled right. Okay, well, that's not really obvious, but okay. It's raining again, so what are you supposed to do on vacation when it rains? Cheers! Okay, we are at this event now. Like here's pool, and you get, well, let me show you, free peanuts and free Orion. What? That's so crazy. And the can looks so cute. So just for free. That's nice. I like it here so far, so cheers.
Washed.
Orion, by the way, is really good. Another bar. I'm drinking now Helles, which is German, and it's okay, to be honest. I had better ones, but this bar is nice, it's cute. I like the pub vibe, you know, so it's really cute, it's really chill and relaxed, so you can definitely come here. It's called Craft Beer House or something. I will link it, and I can recommend. Thank God they say no sexual services when it comes to souvenir shops. Well, new day in Okinawa. We wanted to go snorkeling, but it said that it should rain. Right now it's really sunny, but I guess we would just go to the beach and see what's happening there and just explore the city today. This is so cool here. You can choose what you want to get, and then you can just and that's how you order here. So you have to mix it. It smells so good.
Die macht man dann irgendwann drauf. Sehr gut.
That's really delicious. And I ordered extra coriander because I love coriander. So that's a really good meal. Okay, so you don't get a spoon, so you have to drink. I don't think it's delicious. I don't know what it is, but it's good. That looks kinda cool and kinda up, but I like that vibe. They have a lot of really nice looking cafes, restaurants, bars, so that's really cool. I feel like they really put like a lot of effort into that, like, and the food is amazing, so that's our goal for today. Eat as much as possible, because I heard like Japanese food is one of the best cuisines, so, and so far everything we tried here is really delicious, but I wanna try way more. We are now in the Chinese garden. It should be really nice. This is the Chinese garden in Okinawa. Such a cool little spot. It was built to show the friendship between Okinawa and their sister city in China. The bright red bridges, koi points and pavilions make it feel totally different from the rest of the island. It's a quick peaceful stop before heading back to the beaches or the city. behind the waterfall. That's so cool. So you can just sit here, relax, enjoy the view, which is weird because the view from this side is buildings. This garden is really cute. Entrance is 200 yen per person. And it's just nice, like a little oasis here. And you have a cafe as well. Okay, you can walk through. It's pretty narrow. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's kind of creepy though. As soon as you stand somewhere, all the fish are coming. So this park is really nice, really cute. Okay, look at this. In the tree. Weird beach. Like, I love it more when you have the beach and then you have like the open ocean, but not like a bridge. But I mean, also it's nice that you can just walk here whenever you want to and go to the beach. So Okinawa is also really quiet, like especially when you're not on the main street or main area, main district, whatever. And then it's like really quiet, really chill, not much is going on. And I guess also a lot of bars, they're opening later, like at 5 or 7 or 9. I don't even think 5, I feel like it's more like 7 or 9. And in the meantime it's really quiet and chill, but it's really, really nice. Okinawa is, it makes me curious for more in Japan, so definitely want to go and see more places. Only thing here, the buildings are not really pretty and they're not interesting. Like, you know, in Southeast Asia you have so many skyscrapers and crazy buildings and fancy and whatnot, and here they are more like, yeah, not really that pretty or interesting. I guess more like residential. I'm at one of those classic spots where you sit at the counter and the chef cooks right in front of you. The way he chops and flips stuff around, it's so smooth, like he's done this a million times. It's amazing how much care goes into every single dish. Look at this, we have spicy cucumber, no idea, I guess bun, tomato and thick cheese. So, let's go. It's so good. I understand why everybody loves Japanese food. It's so fresh and flavorful and just delicious. So good. It's lemonade coffee. I never had lemonade coffee before. So we will see. To give it a good mix. Okay. It's super weird. It's kind of delicious because it's like really sweet coffee, but I don't know. I'm confused. I guess I like it kind of. It's different. Let's say that I never saw it before, so. But it's kinda okay. I don't know. Some buildings are so cool, especially when you're on the main street. They look so nice. So many cool restaurants and cafes. So that's really cool. Some are really flashy, other are really clean, and you know, it's just like a nice mix. But I realized not many Japanese people can speak English, so that's sometimes a little bit difficult, but with Google Translation it's also fine. We are in a Taiwanese restaurant now, ordering dumplings, and even when the restaurant doesn't look that good, the food is so delicious. So I feel like here you can go inside any restaurant and it's just good. So I love that. For people like me who love to eat, perfect country. Okay, the dumplings arrived. They're so hot. But really good. Every food is so good. So it's perfect to try all different sorts of food. That looks really nice. There's just a lot of restaurants and, like I said, perfect for food lovers. Sadly I'm full, so I cannot eat anything there, but maybe we'll find something sweet. The city is so interesting. There are just so many nice buildings, so much to do, and so colorful and vibrant. I really like that. So I can definitely recommend coming here, for sure. So delicious.